Wagwan, my people, but there again once more, big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Just some things I want to talk to you about in this video. And I have videos that I'm going to present to you. So first up, I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. And the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show when a person was being restrained and the person had been detained by police within the country of Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to why the person had been restrained. That's what I'm saying to you, but I got the understanding that the video is being talked about on social media for a certain amount of reasons. One of those reasons is because of how police handle the situation, and another one of those reasons is because of how at least one of those police officers we can see in the video was behaving. That's what I'm saying to you, subscribers. So one of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and even though I don't have certain confirmed information about the situation, I would like you to look and listen to the video and tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think the situation has been handled properly or not. You be the judge. Alright, now please bear in mind that I can hear quite a number of persons yelling and shouting in the video because the video will be recorded out in the public within the country of Jamaica. You can also hear harsh language. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Applaud it, man.
Alright, my people, let me say this still, Zane, because some people might say that the person had been arrested, but me only go by information we get that the person had been detained. Yes, so me I say, and in my point of view, based on the amount of persons me hear yelling and certain words that have been said, I assume that there were quite a number of persons there who did not agree with what was going on during the situation. Yes, so me I say, but more play back a piece of the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because me see something happen and more make it very clear as to what happened. You see me I say? So take a look at this part of the video right here. Okay, so a flash, the police flash something they saw. Okay, all right. The part they did kind of look away. So me I say, so my people, tell me what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in the video. Yes, me I say, tell me if you think the situation had been handled properly by police or not. You be the judge, you can tell me what you think. Yes, me I say. Now, I saw a video on social media that shows two damaged motor vehicles. And I also saw another video that shows when a motor vehicle slammed into a motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. So, according to information that I got about the whole situation, it is said that a motor vehicle accident happened on the Portmore toll that's in St. Catherine, Jamaica on Friday. And that the incident resulted in at least two motor vehicles being damaged, and toll booth also had been damaged, viewers and subscribers. See? So I didn't get any confirmed information about any serious injuries, and according to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that a motor vehicle that was traveling at a certain speed slammed into a motor vehicle that was at a toll, viewers and subscribers. See? Or some people might say at the toll on a toll road. You see? So I didn't get any information to determine about any fatality, viewers and subscribers. So I just get information about that situation, and just in case if you have seen any of those videos that are circulating on social media about the whole incident. So may I say, Now, I got information that at least 6 persons had been injured when shots was fired at a bus along or on Spanish Town Road that's within the country of Jamaica. Now, according to information that I got, it is said that police say that there was a dispute between at least 2 persons, and one of those persons got on the bus, and at some point shots was fired at the bus, and it is said that at least 6 persons had been injured. And viewers and subscribers, I'm getting different numbers when it comes on to how many persons had been injured from how many persons fired shots at the bus that had a certain amount of passengers inside the bus. So I'm giving you the information to the best of my knowledge in the best way I can. Alright, so on to another topic, my people. Now, I saw pieces of videos that have been put together and posted on social media that shows at least 3 persons who had been apprehended, and it is said that they had been taken into police custody after a motor vehicle crashed. It is said that the motor vehicle crashed into another motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that those persons was involved in criminal activities. At least one of those pieces of videos gave me the understanding that at least one of those persons who had been apprehended was injured to the point where the person was hopping on one leg while being assisted by someone. In at least one of those pieces of videos, someone asked at least one of those persons who was driving. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when those pieces of videos have been recorded, and I don't have any confirmed information as to how many persons was inside of the motor vehicle that crashed into the other motor vehicle. And I also got unconfirmed information as to what type of criminal activities those persons had been accused of doing. So what I'm saying to viewers, subscribers, now in at least 2 pieces of those videos, you can hear when someone asked at least 2 of those persons who had been apprehended how old it is, meaning that the person asked them their age. Viewers and subscribers, one of them said 21 and one of them said 18. And I'm going to present one of those pieces of videos to you that have been put together so that you can hear what age one of those persons said he is. And I wanted to look at this piece of video, and you can also tell me what you think. Viewers and subscribers, I wanted to please bear in mind that this video is going to show a person laying face down on the ground, viewers and subscribers, while someone was talking to the person. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
20? And what are you doing in our car? Huh? You're going for something to eat? That your car? Who car is that? You're not sure who is the owner? You just 20 years old. Who is the next man that foot break? Huh?
Yeah, I do.
What is his name?
I only name my alias.
What is your alias?
Moon.
Huh?
Moon.
Moon? What is your alias?
I'm alias.
So what is the other 2 fellas' name?
You know what?
You're not sure? You're trying to protect them, right? Yeah, that way you doing. That way you doing. How you in a car with fellas you don't know?
I just went for some food.
You just going for something to eat? Alright. It will taste better in prison. You know that? It tastes nice in jail.
Yes, I got unconfirmed information about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, and I don't want to say those information in this video. But you can ask me certain questions in the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know, if possible. And if you also ask as well, viewers and subscribers in. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. See? Alright, on to another topic. I also got information that the entertainer who goes by the name of Aladdin had been released from prison, viewers and subscribers. Yes, so for those who might not know, and based on information that I got, it is said that Aladdin was convicted in December 2020. It is said that he was sentenced to 4 years imprisonment for illegal possession of firearm and 18 months for illegal possession of ammunition, viewers and subscribers. and both sentences had been set to run concurrently. Yes, I say, it is said that it was reported that within the month of October the year 2020, lawmen was at a certain location within St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, when they signaled a driver of a motor vehicle to stop. The driver initially complied but sped off when police was approaching the motor vehicle and so forth. So it is said that police chased the motor vehicle, and during the chase, allegedly, it is said that an object was seen thrown from the motor vehicle, and after a certain amount of time, the object turned out to be a firearm. So it is said that at some point, Aladdin was arrested later and he had been charged, the viewers and subscribers. You understand me? So that's the information that I got. Now I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to ask you 2 questions before I present the video to you. Alright, so in the video that I'm about to present to you, you can hear a person yelling and shouting, and you can also hear harsh language in the video. In my point of view, I think that the person was angry, or as well some people might say, the person might have been upset. You see what I say? Now, the video also shows something that I call a sign that has the words Jamaican/CARICOM Nationals marked on it, viewers and subscribers. See? I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. And based on what you are about to see and hear in this video, I would like you to tell me, 1, based on some words that a person said in the video, and based on the situation that I can see in the video, why do you think the person was angry? 2, where do you think this video had been recorded? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, alright, so here I'm going to leave the video with you. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, and until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up, respect.
If you have it, I just don't show acting.
The politics are coming.
I don't know if this is